Hi, this is Fomafung, your Agile Evangelist. In today's video, we will be discussing two main topics. Number one, understanding Agile and Scrum. And number two, who can become a Scrum Master or an Agile leader. Before we go into our topics of today, I would like to tell you a little bit about my background. For over 8 years today, I have been in the field of project management, but I started living my passion as an Agile leader 6 years ago. In the past, until today, I have had the opportunity to serve as an Agile Coach or a Scrum Master with several different large companies such as Excel Energy, Medtronic, Smith Medical, with an ultimate goal of helping them succeed with Agile. Topic number one. What is Agile? Agile is simply a mindset. It is a way of thinking that is bounded by 10 principles and 4 values. How does Agile fit into the environment of project management? These 10 Agile principles and 4 values has been adopted by organizations to quickly deliver project requirements in an iterative and incremental approach. In my own world, I see Agile as a lifestyle. It is a way of life that everyone should go by. That's how passionate I feel about Agile. Agile has several different kinds of frameworks, such as extreme programming, Kanban, lean product development, Scrum, etc., etc. Therefore, Scrum is simply one of these several Agile project development frameworks that has been adopted by teams to develop project requirements and all other kinds of work. However, Agile Scrum is commonly used by software development organizations based on the complexity of their work. On this platform, our focus is going to be on Scrum. However, we will discuss other project management topics from time to time. Topic number 2. Who can become a Scrum Master? We will be dividing this topic into 3 subtopics. The first, what are the common backgrounds of Scrum Masters? Secondly, what are the characteristics or values of an effective Scrum Master? And lastly, what are the skill sets to be successful as a Scrum Master or an Agile leader? So first, what are the common backgrounds of a Scrum Master? The great news is there is no specific background required to become a Scrum Master. However, based on my experience, I have worked with Scrum Masters who have held roles in the past such as project manager, program manager, director of software engineering, director of product development, DBA, project coordinator, and so on and so forth. Well, the key is that to become a Scrum Master, you must be agile, meaning that you must possess the agile way of thinking. This brings us to our second subtopic of who can become a Scrum Master. I have summarized 5 values of an effective Scrum Master. Number 1, you must be a servant leader. Do you believe in the servant leadership style, or do you believe in commanding and controlling people? To be successful as a Scrum Master or an Agile leader, you must believe in service. That is, you must be able to influence people without having direct authority over them. Number 2, you must value customer success over your own personal gain. Number 3, you must be able to leverage the present moment instead of focusing on the past or dwelling in the future. In Scrum, we call this the principle of empiricism. That is, you make decisions based on what you've learned today, what you are still learning, instead of focusing on what's gonna happen tomorrow. Number 4, you must be able to help people achieve their goals and learn from their mistakes when they do not achieve those goals, instead of trying to always step in and do it for them and punishing them when they do not achieve their goals. And lastly, you must have a value-driven mindset. That is, do you believe in adding value to the business, or do you usually focus on achieving some set scope, budget, and schedule? To be successful as a Scrum Master, you must be value driven. You must always strive to add value to the business or to your customers. So these are the 5 values to be effective as an Agile leader or a Scrum Master. The third subtopic of who can become a Scrum Master. There are 4 skill sets that a person must possess to be successful as a Scrum Master. These skill sets are non-negotiable. They are mandatory. To succeed as a Scrum Master, you must possess these skill sets. These skill sets include coaching, facilitating, mentoring, and teaching. Do you currently possess this skill set? You see, every day in the life of a Scrum Master, at some point, you will be required to either teach, coach, mentor, or facilitate your teams and stakeholders. Therefore, you must understand the difference between all the skill sets. We will end here for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. In our next video, we will be discussing how to start your career as a Scrum Master with 0 experience. That's going to be our topic in the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell so that you'll always stay on top of new uploads. Also like and share with others so that they will learn and we all can grow together. If you have questions, please go to the comment section and drop your questions and concerns. Thanks so much and hope to talk with you soon. Bye.